Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to sign into your Paperless Employee account online. To do so, firstly, you will have to go to your preferred web browser. Here, I'm using Safari for now. Then, on the search box, search for www.paperlessemployee.com/associates/pe/login and then press enter. This will take you to their website. Paperless Employee is a platform that facilitates digital management of employee documents such as tax forms, pay stubs, and other important paperwork typically handled during the hiring process and throughout employment. It's often used by businesses to streamline their human resources processes, reduces paperwork, and improve efficiency. Now, to log in, you will have to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see two options. If you don't have an account yet, you may create one by clicking on the Create Account button on the right side of your screen. However, if you do have an account, then you may enter your login credentials on the left side of your screen. You may first enter your user ID in the first text box. Then, you may enter your password in the second. In any case, if you forget your user ID or password, you may click on the Forgot User ID or Forgot Password link right below the Login button. Once you make sure you filled both your credentials correctly, then you may click on the Login button. This is how you may easily log into your Paperless Employee account online. If you find this video helpful, kindly like, share, and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching.